Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the Pollen air conditioning filter on a 2008 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. So it's actually found behind the glove box on the passenger side of the vehicle, and we're going to just open up the glove box fully, and then over the right hand side there's actually a shock absorber. We're just going to pull that off by pulling it to the right, and that will allow us to actually remove the rest of the glove box, which actually just dropped straight down. So the glove box sits on these two positions there, and then that allows us to just look inside here. So we'll actually see this white cover, and you can just get your finger in there where the fuse box is and pop that off. That's what it looks like there. So then inside we can actually now see our air conditioning pollen filter, and it says that the airflow is down. So you just want to stick your finger in there. It's a bit fiddly, and we just pull that straight out like that, and this is our air conditioning filter. So this one's been replaced recently, so it's white on the bottom, blue on the top, with that airflow facing down. So I've actually just replaced this one, so this is actually a new filter, and we're going to go ahead, get our new filter, or replace your old one if you've cleaned it, and we're going to push it straight back in, remembering airflow down. Push that all the way in and then push it down. Then we get our cover plate, pop that on the right hand side first, and then move around to the left. Then we get our glove box, lining up the two hooks on the bottom, pushing it on, then rotate it up. And then lastly, we just replace that shock absorber. And that's our glove box back on. So there we go, that's how easy it is to remove and replace the Pollen air conditioning filter on a 2018 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. If you found that video helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.